How to set up a device scan. Launching the scan. In the last video, we installed the agent together. Now, let's learn how to launch a scan against a file server or endpoint like Windows, Linux, or Mac to ensure your sensitive data is protected. First, log into PII Tools and go to your dashboard. To launch a scan, click the Launch Scan button. On the right-hand side of your screen, you can see extra help to guide you through the various options and parameters. This is true for each editable field, so if you are unsure about what goes in or the implications of changing any of these settings, click inside the field and consult the Help panel. For file server and endpoint scans, such as Windows, Linux, or Mac, we will select the File System connector. First, give your scan a name. Choose a name that makes sense to your workflow and helps you organize your scans. Later, you will be able to filter and group scans by their name. Next, select the device to be scanned. If the device is currently connected, it will show a green online icon. You can select one or multiple devices. The field root folder helps us specify which parts of the device to scan. Leaving root folder empty will lead to scanning the entire device, all drives and folders. To check if the device connection is working, click Test Connection. PII Tools comes with built-in detectors for all major regulations, such as GDPR, PCI DSS, HIPAA, and others. These include personal detectors, like names and addresses, financial detectors, like credit card numbers, national detectors, like SSNs, and more. If you want to exclude any PII types or categories, simply disable them. The AI detectors are powerful enough to scan images too, such as analyzing a JPEG picture of a passport. PII Tools supports automated classification to help you prioritize your review. The built-in classifier will evaluate documents and determine their risk level, so you can focus on the high-risk areas first, during reporting and remediation later on. If you want to be more selective about what to scan, use the What Files to Skip option to skip certain files, such as only analyzing PDFs or avoiding specific directories. Conversely, if you want to exclude certain parts of the device from scanning, such as system files, use the Reject Following option. For recurring scans, you can select the Delta Scanning option to scan only new or modified files, which makes rescan operations more efficient. You can also schedule repeat scans, for example, weekly or monthly, to maintain compliance. PII Tools includes optical character recognition, which is essential for identifying PII in images and scanned documents. It also scans compressed files like zip, PST, or RAR files automatically. You can control how much data to scan by adjusting the max bytes per file option. Default is 5 million bytes. Set it to 0 to scan the full file. Similarly, adjust the max characters to analyze and max pages to analyze fields to control the depth of your scan for large files or documents. If you're scanning encrypted files like password-protected PDFs or zip archives, enter those passwords into the Content Passwords field. And PII Tools will try these passwords when encountering encrypted files. Adjust all these scan parameters according to your business objectives and goals. Is this a breach incident investigation or a regular preemptive assessment scan? When you're ready, click Start Scanning. For more help, refer to the Help panel, check the online documentation, or contact your PII Tools support contact. If you want to learn more about PII Tools, follow our YouTube channel and LinkedIn profile.